Did you know that a simple 3-digit number could unlock miracles in your life? The number 520 is not just any ordinary combination of digits. It carries a vibration that aligns with universal love, abundance, and transformation. When placed under your pillow, it works silently through the night, opening channels for prosperity, healing, and deep inner peace. But where does this teaching come from? In Buddhism, subtle energies around us, be it thoughts, symbols, or numbers, have a significant influence on our lives. Numbers like 520 carry vibrations that attract good fortune when aligned with proper intention. Many have reported astonishing results, breakthroughs in relationships, unexpected wealth, and peace of mind. So stay with us until the end as we explain the meaning behind this number, the right way to use it, and how this simple practice can attract miracles beyond your expectations. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to Buddhism on Life. If you're looking to deepen your understanding of Buddhist principles and unlock hidden wisdom to enrich your life, you're in the right place. Before we dive deeper into today's topic, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content on spirituality, mindfulness, and prosperity practices rooted in Buddhist teachings. Also, we encourage you to participate actively in this positive community. Right now, write this powerful mantra in the comments section. I am ready and willing to accept miracles in my life. By doing this, you not only enhance your personal energy field, but also help spread positivity and blessings to others who may be searching for hope and transformation. Let's harness this collective energy and open the doors to prosperity together. The Buddhist view of numbers as energies. In Buddhism, numbers, symbols, and rituals serve as anchors for aligning our thoughts with universal energies. Just as a mantra channels the energy of the words into meaningful practice, numbers carry specific vibrations. Numbers are not random. They represent patterns of life, balance, and karma. Buddhist teachings emphasize the need to be mindful of what we place into our minds and physical spaces, including symbols, objects, and rituals, as these attract corresponding energies. The number 520, when written and placed under your pillow, acts as a seed planted in your subconscious mind. This seed grows into opportunities, prosperity, and peace, provided you nurture it with intention, trust, and gratitude. The act of using numbers for manifestation is like a bridge between the material and spiritual worlds, a way to bring your internal desires into external reality. But how does this happen? Let's explore this in more detail. Decoding the energy of 520, what each digit represents spiritually. 5. Change, growth, and freedom. In Buddhist teachings, the number 5 symbolizes the energy of transformation and release. The Buddha often spoke about the importance of letting go of attachments, whether material possessions, toxic emotions, or limiting beliefs. The number 5 calls for personal growth and inner freedom. It encourages you to embrace the flow of change and see challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities for personal evolution. When you write 5 as part of the number 520, you invoke the energy of transformation. It signals the universe that you are ready to step into a new phase of life, leaving behind old habits and patterns. It invites unexpected opportunities to enter your life, often disguised as challenges that prompt inner growth. 2. Harmony, partnership, and balance. The number 2 represents relationships, not just with others but also with oneself and the universe. It reflects the Buddhist ideal of the middle way, a path that encourages balance in all areas between ambition and contentment, action and rest, giving and receiving. This number invites harmony into your personal and professional relationships. It suggests that synchronicity and cooperation are on their way, guiding you to make peace with any lingering conflicts. When placed under your pillow, the vibration of 2 enhances inner balance and external harmony, making your interactions more peaceful and meaningful. 0. Infinite potential and spiritual awakening. In numerology, 0 is considered the source of infinite possibilities. In Buddhism, it is closely related to the concept of sunyata, emptiness, which teaches that everything is interconnected and all phenomena are transient. It is through understanding this emptiness that one becomes free from suffering, realizing that every moment holds boundless potential for new beginnings. The presence of 0 and 520 reminds you that your current reality is not fixed. Every thought, action, and belief you hold can shape your future. When you sleep with the number 520 under your pillow, you invite your subconscious mind to tap into this infinite potential and open doors to miracles you might not have imagined. Together, 520 resonates with transformation, harmony, and infinite possibilities, creating a powerful energy field for manifesting abundance and miracles. The science of the subconscious mind and sleep. Buddhist practices often emphasize the power of the mind, especially the subconscious, which stores beliefs, memories, and patterns that shape your reality. During sleep, the conscious mind rests, but the subconscious remains active, processing information and aligning your inner world with the external. This is why dreams often reveal hidden emotions or solutions to problems. Placing 520 under your pillow during sleep is more than just a symbolic act. It's a way to program your subconscious mind with positive intentions. Your subconscious is most receptive when you are asleep, making it the perfect time to align your thoughts and desires with the vibrational energy of 520. Think of your mind as a garden. The thoughts you plant and nurture will grow. Writing 520 and placing it under your pillow sends a message to your subconscious that you are ready for growth, balance, and miracles. Over time, this practice helps you shed limiting beliefs and shift toward abundance, peace, and gratitude. How this practice connects to the law of karma. In Buddhism, karma refers to the principle that every action, whether a thought, word, or deed, creates an energy that returns to you in some form. By placing 520 under your pillow, you are engaging in a karma-based ritual. You plant the seed of positive intention and trust that the energy will return to you in a beneficial way. This practice aligns with the Buddhist teaching: what you think, you become. When you repeatedly focus your thoughts on love, balance, and infinite possibilities, the essence of 520, you align your karma with these energies. The universe responds by bringing experiences and opportunities that match your intention. Spiritual benefits of placing 520 under your pillow. Improved relationships. The vibration of 2 encourages peace and harmony, helping you heal conflicts or misunderstandings with loved ones. This practice nurtures emotional balance, making it easier for you to cultivate empathy and kindness toward others. Increased financial abundance. Many practitioners have reported unexpected financial blessings, such as new job opportunities, gifts, or business breakthroughs after engaging in this ritual. The energy of 5 invites positive changes in your financial situation, especially if you stay open to new opportunities. Inner peace and clarity. With the influence of 0, you may find yourself letting go of unnecessary worries and seeing life from a fresh perspective. The number's energy promotes spiritual awakening, helping you detach from negative thought patterns and embrace gratitude. Better sleep and enhanced intuition. Sleeping with 520 under your pillow also calms the mind, reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. As your subconscious aligns with positive energy, you may notice an increase in intuitive insights guiding you to make better decisions in life. Practical tips for maximizing the power of 520. Visualize while falling asleep as you lie down with 520 under your pillow. Visualize what you want to manifest. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it has already happened. Pair with a gratitude practice upon waking. Take a moment to express gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude amplifies the power of manifestation and opens you to receiving more. Use with meditation or chanting. If you have a meditative or chanting practice, incorporate the intention of 520. You can repeat a mantra like, "I trust the universe to bring miracles my way" during your meditation. Real-life success stories. Many individuals have shared remarkable stories about using this practice. Some reported receiving unexpected financial gains such as bonuses, gifts, or new clients shortly after placing 520 under their pillows. Others noticed shifts in their relationships, old conflicts resolved naturally, or new, meaningful connections appeared effortlessly. One practitioner said, "I was struggling with anxiety and financial worries. After using the 520 ritual for just a week, I received an unexpected job offer. But beyond that, I started feeling more at peace. It's like life just began to flow smoothly." These stories demonstrate that the key lies in belief and openness. When you align your thoughts and actions with the energy of abundance, the universe responds in kind. Why faith and detachment are essential. It's important to remember the Buddhist principle of non-attachment. While it's good to set intentions, don't become fixated on when or how the miracle will occur. Trust that the universe has its own timing, and sometimes blessings arrive in unexpected ways. The act of letting go creates space for miracles to unfold naturally. As the Buddha said, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without trust that by aligning yourself with the energy of 520, you are already on the path to transformation. Have you tried placing the number 520 under your pillow? We would love to hear your story. Share your experiences, results, or even the shifts you've noticed in your thoughts or emotions. Your testimony might inspire someone else on their journey toward transformation and abundance. Drop your feedback in the comments section below. Your voice matters. And if you found this teaching helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. By spreading this wisdom, you contribute to a ripple effect of positivity in the world. Let's make this a community where miracles become the norm. Remember, the universe is always listening. Are you ready to embrace its gifts? Write the number 520 tonight and watch as life brings unexpected blessings your way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep your mind open, your heart light, and miracles will find their way to you.